Oh, good. It's longer too.
Yeah.
Do I just?
Yeah, I think there's a way to take. Sir.
Yeah, there we go.
Yeah. There we go. Look at that sexy beast.
1070 for this guy.
Mine. Ready? Go slowly. People love it getting peeled off very slow.
Touching the wrong spot.
That's the orgasm part right there, and then the other part, the underside.
Ooh. So shiny. Ooh, people, watch. Ooh, ooh. It's getting hot and steamy in here.
Oh, that's just straight up tech porn. Take that guy. Oh, right, there's more film. Slowly. Oh, there's another one.
Hmm? Oh. Oh, they're stuck on there. That I'll just leave. That's from EVGA.
There's 4.
Yep. Oh, nope, no, we missed one.
Oh,
the name emblem. Yay!
It's gonna be glowing. You're gonna be showing off that 1080 Ti. It's in there, right? Yep. Oh, this is a monster.
Do I need a screw on top?
Yeah.
Shit, do we have extra screws? Didn't you have a whole box of extra screws?
Yeah, check it.